welcome back to the channel. Been a while since I posted. I apologize for that. Been pretty busy with the holidays for one. Our kids had birthdays in January, and we took a 2-week vacation in January. So it is almost mid-February right now, if I can talk. Just wanted to do a quick video and get back into a groove and try to get you some more content here. I'm going to try to post once a week, just because I don't know if any of you out there that are YouTubing and doing things like that on a daily basis. Guys, I give you major kudos because this is a lot of work. I don't think you all realize how much it is to have a family, have a job, full-time job, and try to make videos on the side and try to get content out for you people. I hope you enjoy the videos, but it is a lot of work. It's between the editing and the filming and everything. It's a lot of fun, and I enjoy doing it, but it is a lot of work. As you can see, the Jeep's kind of collecting dust sitting in here. But had an issue. I just cranked it over the other day, and smoke started coming out of the cowl here. And the motor started acting funny while the starter sounded funny, and I'm thinking, what in the world is going on? So basically, in a nutshell, right here, this is the old starter pulled out, and but in the top here, there's a crack. Now, people say, oh, it's loose, oh, it's dirty. Yes, it's very dirty, but this connection here is tight. There's nothing wrong with it, but there's actually a crack in the top of the starter. And along with that, if you look down here, it's greasy, but the Bendix, which is this piece here, that as you put power to the starter, to the solenoid up here, this little guy, kicks out, whoop, and then whoop, goes back in. But if you can see, those teeth are pretty worn. So I'll put a video in here real quick right now of what this starter was doing the other day when I went to start it. Yeah, as you can see, I do not need any fires under the hood of the Jeep. And I'm guessing it's because of the grease on here, the sparks as the winding spun. It definitely shot out that hole or that crack, and it's pretty greasy. I mean, this thing, the head gasket, not the head gasket, I'm sorry, the valve cover, rocker arm cover gasket was leaking and leaked oil all over the side of this thing. And about a year ago, I replaced that seal, and all has been well, but I never got a chance to actually clean everything up. So that's why this is so greasy. Anyway, I'll put another picture in here between the two, between the Bendix here on this one and the new one that I'm installing. And as you can see, it's a big difference. So here's the old, I didn't really get any video of doing it because these things are pretty heavy. But there's a video there, or a picture of what the old one looked like. And down here's the new one. I got it from Walk's 4-wheel drive, where I live here in Pennsylvania. I got it the very next day from ordering it. Now, they're not cheap, but this does not require a core. It's not rebuilt. It's brand new. And it is an exact match to, I guess that's a Prestolite, I'm not sure, the other starter that I have. It bolted right up. Now, what I did when I did this, when I mounted this, and I checked in my service manual, and if you were working on old Jeeps, I suggest you get a factory service manual for these things. The Bendix, as I showed on there, I'll show you on the old one over here. When you want to put that in, this is what hits the flywheel. When you mount this, you want to actually twist this out and lock it in place there. And then put your starter in, so that way basically this Bendix, they call it, this pinion gear is meshed up with the flywheel. So when you go and start it, it's already meshed up to the flywheel, and it'll just shoot back in when you let off the key. Reason to do that is if you don't, if you can picture this, if that's not lined up, if those teeth aren't lined up with the slots on the flywheel, I'll show a picture of the flywheel right now through the access hole where this mounts. As you can see, if this does not mesh up with that flywheel, this will actually break, is what I've been told. or you can break teeth or chip teeth, because what's going to happen is you're going to crank that key over, and if this is not in the out position, locked in, meshed up with the flywheel when you mount it, this is going to shoot out and crash or collide with the flywheel, possibly. I mean, it's a very good chance. I'm not saying it will, but it's a very good chance that that will collide and crash with the flywheel and damage these teeth. And then you just bought a $400 starter and just destroyed it. Now, you can rebuild these and pull these apart and take these out of here, but I would say I wouldn't want to do that. So anyway, let's show you a clip of this thing starting and showing you what it sounds like now with the new starter and compared to the flames you saw previously in this video. Alrighty, make sure we're in neutral. First crank. Oh man, look at that. Sweet. I put my air cleaner back in here. Nice. Crank straight up, no issue. Awesome. Back in business. No more flame no more flame throwing starter. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to try to post once a week instead of twice a week. A little bit easier on my schedule so I can still spend time with the family and get some work done around the farm here. But going to try to get back in a groove and get some videos up for you. Hope you liked this video. If you've liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button. And again, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.